Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and today we have one for the Unity developers. We have a sale, the spring sale, the annual spring sale is back, and the good news is, this time it's not crap. So in the past, some of these spring sales have had a little bit of struggle, so either the servers crashed day one, nice thing is, day one, servers have not crashed. Also, you know everything that's going to be on sale, all the flash deals from the very beginning to the very end, you know when they're going to be on sale, and there's not a limited quantity. So the FOMO part of these sales is gone, much nicer approach to it. It's the way they've done their last couple of sales, and I hope they stick to this format. The, having only 20 copies available at 80% off and then dropping to 70 and then 60 and so on, that was not a nice setup. So what instead we got here is about 200 items, 70% off, and then 500 plus items, 50% off. I'm not going to really focus too much on the 50% off side of things because 70% is a nicer number. On top of that, just so you know, if you're watching this video today, and today being May the 10th, you can actually currently get an asset completely free. This is unrelated. They're actually doing weekly publisher sales, which I think is a great idea. Basically, all of the assets from this publisher are 50% off, but the cooler part is they give away a free asset. This week's free asset is the Modular Medieval Dungeon. This one is ending today. But the nice thing is, if you get this video and you're watching it, say, tomorrow on May the 11th or beyond, there should be a new publisher and a new free asset. But if you're tuning in today, grab this guy. Basically, just use the code at checkout. I didn't pay attention to what the code was. The code is STUDIOLAB. So you just basically add this to cart at checkout, put the STUDIOLAB in, and it will go down to $0, which, hey, $0 is even better than 70% off. But speaking of 70% off, let's jump back in and take a look at the spring sale. So, interestingly enough, when you first come in, it's sorted by on sale. So you got 625 items. Okay, so I oversold it. There's 127 items on Flash Deal, not 200. But still, 127 is pretty solid. But when you first come in here, it's actually got the entirety of the sale. So all of this stuff is at least 50% off. And there's some, bangers that are definitely in here. We got a lot of things that you've seen before on this channel, like the top-down engine is here, Playmaker is here, and Gaia is here, which is cool. I've actually covered every single one of these. But what we're going to focus on today is, of course, this guy right here. So these are the flash deals, and we're going to focus on the flash deals only. So toggle that on, and what you're going to see is today's stuff is live right now. So I'm going to get this video out probably about an hour and a half from now. So you're going to have about 9 hours left to decide on today's stuff. Today has 5 items in it. You can see here you get the RPG Essentials Kit, the Ultimate Clean Multi-Purpose Game UI. We got 2 Polygon packs. Their Military Pack and their Sci-Fi Worlds Pack are both 70% off in this sale. And then we got Micro Splat, which was fun to say. Then we're going to go, so you see here on the next day up, you're getting the starts in 11 hours. Okay, so yeah, starts in 11 hours stuff. You're getting Atavism, the multiplayer online framework, the bundle set from Blink for armor. You're getting the Extreme Textures collection. You're getting another Cinti pack. So Cinti is very well represented in this bundle. And then the next time out, so 12 hours past 12 hours from now, you're getting another Cinti pack, and then another popular one was the CCG, or Collectible Card Game pack, and so on. And it just keeps going. I'm not going to run through all of these items because, as you can tell, there's 127 of them, and that will take some time. But the nice thing here is you are going to know in every particular time how far away the particular asset is. So if you want to buy it during the sale, you want to get it at the best price, at the 70% off deal, you're going to see where it's going to be available. What you're going to also find is if you, for some reason, want to waste money, you can buy it now. But I wouldn't do that. I would actually definitely wait till at the end. Now, the nice thing is, if you do miss the 70% off sale, they are going to drop down to 50% off for the remainder of the sale. So, for example, if you wanted to buy the RPG kit and you did not get it in this next 11 hours, you'll be able to pick it up down the road. So it's nice in that regard. We'll do a quick run-through of the entirety of the sale, so at least you can get an idea of what is in here. Again, there's a lot of Cinti packs in here. We got a couple of Protofactor assets in here. I've always been a fan of their stuff. By the way, if there's something in here that you really want to see coverage of, do let me know, and I will try my best to cover it for the day that it is available. That, again, is if only there's enough interest in it. Spoiler alert, I am going to cover this one. I covered it very briefly in a video in the past. This is And honestly, and this one's kind of funny, I would say one of the single best plugins for the Unity game engine is for Unreal. And that's going to be on sale in 10 days. So I'm going to cover this guy. That one is one of those ones for when that is on sale. I will show you this because this one it's special. It's magic. So if you've never seen it before, stay tuned for that one again in about 10 days time. I'm going to have to set a note to remind myself to do that video. But if there's something in here that is really interested to a number of you, do let me know and I will try my best to cover it. But that Unreal to Unity one is the only one that I'm really slated to cover right off the hop. And you get an idea, these are all of the things that are going to be 70% off. So obviously don't buy them until they come up on sale. But the nice thing, again, they've changed the structure here, so there's no more FOMO. There's not a limited number of each asset. You know when it's going to be on sale. You know what the sale is going to be. And if for some particular reason you miss that actual sale, you'll be able to pick it up at 50% off, which again isn't 70% off, but it's better than nothing. And then once again, the Modular Medieval Dungeon pack, you can grab this guy completely free right now for today. Finishing up today. So if you watch this video at some point in the future, so May the 11th or beyond, it is going to be a different asset on sale. But the cool thing is they are doing these publisher sales all the time right now, and you can get a free asset. You just got to look up what the actual code is and use it at checkout, and it's yours to keep free forever. So if you're watching this today, just add it to your digital hoard, and do keep an eye out. So again, this is something that the Unity Asset Store has been running for a few weeks now, and I think it's a really cool idea. Also, all of their other stuff is for sale as well. So the entire publisher catalog goes on sale, and they give away a free asset, which is a cool move. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the Unity Spring Sale. I like this format better. Obviously, I would like 80% off or 90% off or 95% off more, but 70% off, that's definitely real savings in this world, where sometimes 50% just feels kind of normal, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so definitely some cool stuff in this bundle. And again, if there's something there that you really want to see covered, if enough people are interested in it, I'll do a dedicated video on it to match the day that it's going to be released. But the one that I tell you for sure that I am going to cover, and I very briefly covered this on getting assets from Unreal Engine to various different other engines. This thing is just, it's black magic. It's amazing how well this one works. So stay tuned. I will do a video about Unreal to Unity Exporter in the future. But that is it. So there's definitely some cool stuff in here. And again, the whole sale itself, the entirety of it, it's kind of a who's who of the big assets. So you're going to find, again, a lot of the Cinti packs are in there. A lot of the more common things that we work with regularly. So I think you can do this sorted by popularity. On sale, sorted by popularity, and let's turn the flash deals off. So you're going to see things that are in here. Again, Playmaker is a popular one. I think I saw Odin is in here as well. Game Creator 2. So most of the stuff that you've probably been sitting around thinking about, Corgi Engine is in there. That one's great. I've done a video on both Corgi and Top-Down Engine in the past, by the way, if you're interested. Meshbaker is in here. So a lot of the more popular stuff is definitely on sale as part of this sale. And then we've got all the flash sales, which you can see what everything is right now. So let me know what you think of this deal, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.